Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro on your Windows PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Adobe website at adobe.com. From the home page, hover over Creative Cloud and click on Premiere Pro. You can either start a free trial or purchase a subscription. For beginners, I recommend starting with the free trial. Now, sign in with your Adobe account. If you don't have one, click Create Account and follow the instructions. After signing in, the Creative Cloud installer will automatically start downloading. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the instructions to install Adobe Creative Cloud. Next, open the Creative Cloud app, go to the Apps section, find Premiere Pro, and click Install. Once the installation is done, you'll see the Premiere Pro shortcut on your desktop. Open it, and you're ready to edit videos. If you want to see the tutorial of how to use Adobe Premiere Pro, I will leave a video link in the comments. Go to see it. And that's it. You've successfully installed Adobe Premiere Pro on your PC. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.